Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a get unready with me video, testing out some new skincare products that I haven't tried yet. Today's video is also in collaboration with Estee Lauder and their Advanced Night Repair Serum. So if you want to see how I get rid of this makeup with some of these new products, make sure you keep on watching. I already have this gloss on, so I'm just going to wipe it off. I'm just going to use a cotton pad just to make my life easy. Alright. So the first product I'm going to be using is the Boscia Makeup Breakup Cool Cleansing Oil. This has a lot of really good reviews on Sephora, so that's why I wanted to try it. Let me see if I can get it to focus. This has a lot of really good reviews on Sephora, that's why I wanted to try it. So hopefully it works well and it removes all the makeup. The only concern that I always have with like cleansing oils, which I actually like and I use, different cleansing oils, is sometimes they don't wash off completely and you still have that greasy, oily feeling when you really don't need it. It makes you feel like your face isn't clean, so I really don't like that. But hopefully, since it has such good reviews, it's going to be a nice one. This is what it looks like here. So I'm just going to do one pump, maybe two. Got the brows off pretty well. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off. It looks like it got pretty much everything taken care of pretty well, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off really quickly and then come back. So I just rinsed all of that off. Right now my face doesn't feel too greasy, so that's nice. It doesn't feel greasy at all actually. It feels really not greasy, which is good. This one actually rinsed away completely, so that's really nice. So next I'm going in with the Sephora Micellar water. This is actually $20. Oh, the Boscia was $32, which actually I think is a pretty decent price. You get, how many ounces do you get? You get 5 ounces of the cleansing oil. I use micellar water because I don't feel like you can always get everything off of your face with just cleansing alone. So the micellar water actually really helps to get the last little bits of whatever you didn't get. I've been using this simple one for a while now, but I wanted to try out the Sephora one because you get 13.5 ounces. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pump it. It comes out quite a bit, so that's pretty good. And I'm just gonna run that over my face. Also, this one says it's a no rinse micellar water, so that might be nice. You won't have to rinse your face a second time. Yeah, see, this is why we go in with the micellar water, because my face looked clean, but I still had all that, and it's probably mostly from my neck. It doesn't feel too stripping, so that's nice. Next, I have the Boscia Exfoliating Peel Gel, which I was really concerned about this when the lady was telling me at Sephora. She said it's a really good way to exfoliate without being too harsh on your skin. It says it's a physical and a chemical exfoliating treatment, and every time I hear chemical, I'm always like, I don't know about that. But she showed me what it does in store. This is what it looks like right here. She showed me what it does in store, and I thought it was super cool, so I could not wait to get home and try it. I just pumped a little bit of it onto my hand right here, and she said as you rub it in, basically it starts to peel. Those little like white spots right there is my dead skin on my hand, which is crazy. So I was really excited to try this on my face. It feels really gentle so far. Isn't that crazy, you guys? That's my dead skin. That's so insane. All right, let's go and rinse this off now. There wasn't any burning of any sorts, so that's a big plus. Next, I'm going in with the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. I've actually been using this serum for over a week and a half now, so this is not technically a new product, and I've really been loving it. I definitely see a big difference in the way my skin has been looking because of using this product. This is the only thing I've changed recently in my skincare routine. And there was I don't know, the last few videos I told you guys about how I was getting really weird, dry, textury patches in certain areas. Those are completely gone now. This is the only thing I've changed. This is supposed to help increase your skin's nighttime recovery process and give you a good amount of hydration. It has hyaluronic acid, which is a big plus for me because hyaluronic acid is supposed to help increase moisture. It's definitely replaced my other serum that I was using, which is kind of crazy because I was hooked on that serum, but this has honestly been really good, especially since I was trying so hard to get rid of that dry patch that was right here on my cheek with all that texture, and this literally got rid of it in like 3 or 4 days. I was trying everything. I tried the normal skincare routine that I was doing, and then I tried other things, but when I tried this, it actually got rid of it really quickly. It helps reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles, and it's pretty much preventative skincare. So it's like catching it before it happens, which is always nice. You don't want to have it already happen and then you're trying to race against time to fix it. It's $68 for 1 ounce and $98 for 1.7 ounces. I feel like most serums, when I put them on, I'm not really glowing like I'm glowing right now. It feels like I just put moisturizer on, but it's not. It's super lightweight and it looks really just, I don't know, it looks super, it gives you like a really nice healthy glow. That is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. You guys, look how glowy I'm looking already. And I haven't even put on moisturizer. It says it works also for all skin types. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Sephora Intensive Instant Moisture Cream. This is my first time trying it. All I saw was intensive moisture and I was sold because you guys know I have really dry skin. There's a theme going on here. Anything that hydrates, I'm here for. I don't know. I felt like I expected a lot more from intensive hydration. I was like, yes, feed my soul, but it's not as hydrating as I thought it was gonna be. It's not hydrating, but I just expected a little bit more hydration from it, but it's not bad. I do feel like I found other moisturizers that give me a little bit more hydration than this one. I can't remember how much this one was, but I'll have it somewhere on the screen somewhere. But I feel like I've gotten more hydration from other products. I'm just gonna pop something on my lips really quickly. Out of all these products, what am I gonna keep or what am I gonna try again? I'm probably gonna try the peel again because that was pretty cool and it made my skin feel really smooth, and it's a great way to get a chemical peel without the harshness of it. I feel like when I hear chemical peel, I just hear like stripping away every layer of skin that you have, but I like the fact that I could get that kind of a peel without the harshness. The cleansing oil was pretty nice too. It didn't leave any oily residue, so I like that. The Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair is bomb, you guys. Like, it's definitely worth trying, definitely worth going in, at least getting a sample, or if you're already sold just because of how much I love it, go ahead and go check it out at your local Sephora store. I'll have a link to the products, all the products down below. I think that's all I have for today's video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, make sure you leave this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much to Estee Lauder for partnering with me on this video, and thank you to you guys for watching. Lots of love, and I'll see you guys next time.